welcome to Lego Mindstorms Programming. You're going to be looking on your computer for an icon that looks like this one here. It has the black circle with a red dot in the middle. You can also go to your Start menu, scroll down to Lego Mindstorms, and the icon is also in there. Go ahead and double click to open that icon. Your program is going to load up, and there are a lot of areas here on this front page that are available to you. We're not going to be using those right now. We're going to jump right into programming, give you a chance to work on your first challenge. So when the program opens up, click on File. We're going to go to a new project and a new program. Okay. Now, I do want to point out down here, you see this little box that says Robot Educator? That is a great place for you to go to get a lot of help. It tells you how to turn, how to stop, how to go forward, backward, and things like that. But we're going to open a new program now. We're going to come over here and click Open. Now, if this window is open and in your way, all you've got to do is come up here to this and click to close it. If you've got a robot plugged into your computer, then this window here is dark. Right now it is grayed out because I don't have a robot connected. Basically for this station, what you're going to be using are the green blocks. These are movement blocks. Right now we're going to basically be using these two blocks. Move steering is going to allow your robot to move like a car does. It's going to turn on like the outer edge of a circle. Move tank moves like a tank does. It turns on a dime. It's good for turning 90-degree corners. Okay. Notice you've got a steering wheel here versus the two lines here. BC, these are the ports on your robot. And if you try to run a program and your robot doesn't move, first thing you should always do is check and make sure that your ports are correct. If you've got ports A and D selected, but you're actually plugged into B and C, then your robot is not going to move. It's not going to do anything. These are your power levels. These are power levels based on your battery. If your battery is 100% charged, you're going to get a different movement of your robot than if your robot only has like a 60% charge. So make sure you plug up and charge your robot every night. For the move steering block, you've got a single direction. If this is 0, the intent is that your robot goes straight. You want it to turn to the right or the left, then you click and drag one way or the other. The power, again, is power of your motor or percentage of your battery. Positive numbers are going forward, negative numbers, your robot is going backwards. You have some options to move your robot. On for seconds is a time. My robot, I want it to do this move for 10 seconds or for 5 seconds. On for degrees turns your motor a degree. For example, if you build a gate and you wanted the gate to open, then you could tell your robot to move 120 degrees and it would raise that gate up 120-degree angle. The one that I use most of all are rotations. These are rotations of your motor, and the distance that your robot moves is going to change based on the size of the wheels. So circumference of your wheels is a good one to know when you're using rotations. I'm going to delete this block because I really want you to focus on using the move tank option. So I'm at rotations. I'm going to change this to 5. What this means is when I plug up a robot and I run this program, it's going to go 5 rotations at 50% power. Now, if I drag another one up and I change this so that it is a different direction, then what that means is my robot is going to turn. Okay? The other thing that I like to do is I go to the orange block and I grab this little hourglass and I change that to a 3. What this does is when I go to run my robot and I hit start, there's going to be a 3-second delay before my robot begins running. Then it'll run whatever I've programmed until it is at the end of the program. I know this is a very basic introduction, but really for your first couple of challenges, this is all you need to know. If you've got any questions, let me know.